Yeah, I'd say just that I'm worried about AI as, it just, if you've got some sort of digital superintelligence, things can go wrong, potentially. It's just something we should not be cavalier about. We should be careful with digital superintelligence.
Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX, has stepped up his grim warnings about the peril of artificial intelligence. The multi-billionaire software entrepreneur claimed AI was more hazardous than nuclear bombs and asked for a regulatory agency to monitor the advancement of superintelligence. Let us dive deeper. Musk used to call for regulatory supervision and has also made terrifying predictions about the possibilities of artificial intelligence, such as saying that it will be far more hazardous than North Korea. Musk's apocalyptic AI scenario, according to Mark Zuckerberg, are needless and pretty irresponsible. Steven Pinker, a Harvard academic, recently challenged Musk's strategy as well. But Musk is unwavering, branding anyone who disregard his warning as fools. The biggest problem, according to Elon Musk, with perpetrated AI expert is that they overestimate their knowledge and think they are smarter than they actually are. He noted that smart individuals often fall victim in this tendency because they identify with their brilliance and loathe the concept that a computer may be far smarter than they are. As a result, they reject the hypothesis, believing it to be fundamentally incorrect. According to Musk's understanding for machine intelligence and its advancement, there is cause for concern. He claimed that he was extremely near the frontier of artificial intelligence and that this terrified him greatly. He said that the exponential rate of advancement in AI is significantly more than most people believe. Musk cited the rapid development of AI's capabilities by showing machine intelligence playing the traditional Chinese strategic game Go. For instance, the London-based company DeepMind, which Google purchased in 2014, created an artificial intelligence program called AlphaGo Zero that picked up the game of Go on its own. It only acquired knowledge by random play against itself. This development was disclosed by Alphabet-owned business in a document that was released. Musk is concerned that as AI develops, we won't be able to control it safely. He said that the rate of advancement is very rapid and stressed the need to make sure that the emergence of artificial superintelligence works in harmony with people. He highlighted that this is the most significant and urgent existential dilemma. Musk suggested regulating the advancement of the artificial intelligence in order to remedy this. Elon Musk pointed out the significance of limiting such measure by stating that he is not normally in favor of regulations and oversight. However, he expressed worries about the serious harm that AI poses to the general people. Musk stated that a government agency with oversight and knowledge of AI development should be established. Musk favored regulatory monitoring of artificial intelligence in July 2023, stressing that AI is much more dangerous than nuclear weapons and urging the legislation should be proactive rather than reactive. In a rare instance, AI is a case where we need to be proactive in regulation. He differentiates between case-specific applications of machine intelligence, such as self-driving cars, and general machine intelligence and his analysis of the danger of AI. Previously, he has characterized general machine intelligence as having an open-minded utility function and a million times more compute power than case-specific AI. He clarified that he wasn't overly concerned with the immediate issue. Narrow AI, he said, will lead to job losses, displacement, and improved armament. But he insisted that this was not a fundamental risk to the survival of the species, whereas digital superintelligence is. Elon Musk has highlighted the need to proceed with the creation of digital superintelligence very cautiously. He contends that if mankind as a whole decides to develop such a potent type of artificial intelligence, it must do so with extreme caution and thought of any possible outcomes. Neuralink, one of Musk's businesses, is important to this project. The goal of the company's Neuralink is to discover a method of integrating artificial intelligence and the human brain. The fact that Musk sees the possibility of a significant interaction between human and AI places him firmly in the artificial intelligence sector with this initiative. A future in which human and artificial intelligence coexist in a symbiotic connection is Musk's positive vision. He sees Neuralink as a key factor in achieving this close linkage between the collective intelligence of humans and digital intelligence, and think it is possible. Neuralink is working hard to create a high bandwidth link between the human brain and AI system in support of this audacious goal. In the future, humans and artificial intelligence may work together in previously unimaginable ways thanks to the connectivity, which may pave the way for new horizons in human-AI interaction. Elon Musk's commitment to this goal emphasizes how critical, careful, and responsible progress in this area of artificial intelligence is. Robots will be able to perform your work more effectively than you, according to Elon Musk. Even the millionaire CEO of SpaceX and Tesla isn't sure about how to handle that. In a speech of the National Governors Association, he claimed that there would undoubtedly be job disruption because robots would be able to perform every task better than any of us. He predicted that the first to lose their job would be the transportation operators, 1 in 7 American occupations, according to the U.S. Department of Transportation, is tied to transportation. He also acknowledged his hesitation about what to do, emphasized that it was the most terrifying issue to him, and promised to provide further information. He believed that no job is secure and believes that the transportation industry will be amongst the first to fully automate. Additionally, he mentioned that the robots would be able to perform any task without any exception. Robotic intelligence is increasing quickly than predicted. Go is a strategic game that is more difficult than chess, and specialists in artificial intelligence predicted that it would be a minimum of 20 years before a machine could defeat a person at it. Elon Musk stated that AlphaGo has absolutely crushed the world's best player and added that it could now play and defeat the top 50 players at the same time, noting that pace of progress is remarkable. Additionally, robots can currently learn physical abilities faster than human. Robots, according to Elon Musk, can learn to walk from scratch in a matter of hours, much faster than any living thing. According to Musk, the threat posed by artificial intelligence, he insisted that the threat posed by AI is greater than the threat posed by nuclear weapons, and he compared allowing unlimited AI research to approving the manufacture of nuclear weapons. Because they do not completely comprehend the possibility of robots and artificial intelligence, according to Musk, people are not as terrified of it as they should. He claims to be familiar with the most advanced AI and thinks that people need to seriously worry about it. Additionally, he contends that AI offers a fundamental threat to the continuation of human civilization. In contrast to the automobile accidents, plane crashes, defective pharmaceuticals, and contaminated food, which only pose a threat at a particular member of the community, but not to the society as a whole. Increased regulatory monitoring of the creation and the application of artificial intelligence, in Musk's opinion, should be implemented as soon as possible. He claimed that AI is a singular instance in which proactive regulation is required as opposed to reactive regulations. So, is there a positive side to this? Yes, according to businessman Mark Cuban, an artificial intelligence entrepreneur will become the first trillionaire in history. Together with his billionaire friend Warren Buffett, Microsoft co-founder Bill Gates spoke at Columbia University about how, in the long run, robots taking over jobs could be a positive thing. According to Gates, the macro picture that it enables is an opportunity. As for Musk, he claims that in order to make up for the job loss, the government will likely have to enact some type of a universal basic income or cash transfer to all residents. Elon Musk said that he thought there was a good chance that automation would lead to the emergence of a universal basic income or a related solution. He acknowledged his lack of confidence in potential alternative and asserted that this was the most likely conclusion. Elon Musk, a well-known figure in Silicon Valley, has recently unveiled his ambitious new venture, Neuralink. This pioneering company is dedicated to the audacious mission of seamlessly integrating computers with the human brain. His reputation for both visionary ideas and substantial financial backing has once again captured the world's attention as he seeks to push the boundaries of technologies and human capabilities. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed watching our content, then do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, comment your thoughts below in the comment section.